Dialogue 1. Ordering coffee for the first time.
Hi, I need some help.
Sure, what can I do?
I never ordered coffee before.
Really? That's interesting.
What do you recommend for me?
Well, what do you like?
I like sweet and creamy drinks.
Then you might like lattes.
What are lattes?
They are espresso with steamed milk.
Espresso? What is that?
It's a strong coffee shot.
Okay, I'll try a latte.
What size do you want?
Medium, I guess.
That's $4.50. Thank you.
Dialogue 2. Ordering coffee with allergies.
Hi, I want a coffee.
Sure, what kind of coffee?
Do you have hazelnut latte?
Yes, we do. Any size preference?
Medium, please. How much is it?
It's $4.50. Do you have allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Oh, then you can't have it.
Why not? What's in it?
It contains nutmeg and almond milk.
Are those nuts? I didn't know.
Yes, they are. They can trigger reactions.
Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. Do you want something else?
Do you have plain black coffee?
Yes, we do. It's nut-free.
Okay, I'll have that then.
Dialogue 3. Ordering coffee to go.
Good morning.
Welcome to Starbucks, sir.
I need coffee to go, please.
Any particular blend you prefer?
What would you recommend today?
Try our new autumn blend, sir.
Sounds good, I'll have that.
Would you like any milk?
Just black will be fine, thanks.
Any sugar or sweetener added?
No sugar, just the coffee, please.
Do you need a travel mug?
Yes, please show me some.
We have insulated stainless ones.
That sounds perfect for travel, thanks.
They keep drinks hot longer.
I'll take one of those, please.
Your total comes to $20.
Here's my card for payment, thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too, thank you very much.
Dialogue 4. Ordering coffee with specific milk.
Do you offer almond milk here?
Yes, we have almond milk available.
Can you make coffee with it?
Certainly, we can do that.
I'd like a latte with almond milk.
What size would you like?
A medium size would be great.
Would you like any flavors?
No flavors, just almond milk.
Any sugar or sweetener added?
No sugar, keep it plain.
Your name for the order, please.
It's John. How much is it?
That will be $5.
Here's my card for payment.
It's processing now, John.
How long will the wait be?
About 3 minutes, John.
Dialogue 5. Ordering coffee with specific flavor.
Do you have flavored syrups?
Yes, we offer various flavors.
Can you add syrup, please?
Certainly, which flavor preferred?
I'd like vanilla syrup added.
Vanilla is a popular choice.
How much extra for syrup?
Syrup addition costs 50 cents.
Please add extra vanilla syrup.
Sure, 1 or 2 pumps.
Make it 2 pumps, please.
2 pumps coming right up.
How long will my order take?
It will take just minutes.
Can I pay with card?
We accept cards and cash.
Here's my card for payment.
Thank you, I'll process it.
Dialogue 6. Ordering coffee with specific temperature.
Please make my coffee extra hot.
Certainly, how hot would you like?
Hotter than usual, please.
80 degrees Celsius, okay?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Anything else with that?
No, just the coffee, thanks.
Your name for the order?
It's John, thank you.
John, any pastries today?
No pastries, just coffee.
Your total is $5.
Here's my card, please.
It's processing now, John.
Can I get cold coffee?
Extra cold, just like before?
Yes, extra cold, please.
Coming right up, John.
Dialogue 7. Ordering coffee with specific size.
Please give me large coffee.
Sure, would you like bigger?
Do you have larger sizes?
Yes, we offer venti size.
How much more does venti?
It's just 50 cents more.
That sounds like a deal.
Would you like extra shots?
What does that include exactly?
2 additional shots of espresso.
Yes, please add those shots.
Anything else with your coffee?
Do you have any pastries?
We have muffins and scones.
I'll take a blueberry muffin.
Your total is $10.
Dialogue 8. Ordering coffee with specific roast.
Do you have Ethiopian coffee?
Yes, we have Ethiopian blend.
Can you make my coffee?
Sure, which roast preference?
I prefer a medium roast.
Would you like milk?
Just black, no milk.
Any sugar or sweetener?
No sugar, just black.
What size would you like?
A large cup, please.
To go or stay?
It will be to go.
Your name for the order?
It's John. Thank you.
John, your total is ready.
Here's my payment, thanks.
Thank you, John. Enjoy.
Dialogue 9. Ordering coffee with specific blend.
Hi, I want a coffee, please.
Sure, what kind of coffee?
Do you have Ethiopian Yirgacheffe?
Yes, we do. How much?
Just a tall cup, thanks.
Okay, how do you want it?
Can you make it French press?
Sorry, we don't have that option.
How about pour over method then?
Yes, we can do that.
Great, I'll take that, please.
No problem. Any milk or sugar?
No, just black. How much?
That will be $3.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Dialogue 10. Ordering coffee with specific brewing method.
Hello, I would like a coffee.
Sure, what size do you want?
A medium one, please.
Okay, and how do you want it brewed?
Do you have a French press?
No, we don't have that option.
How about a pour over method?
Yes, we can do that for you.
Great, I'll have that then.
What kind of beans do you prefer?
I like dark roast beans.
All right, we have some Sumatra beans.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, your total is $4.50.
Here you go, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.